Hello and welcome to our review of the Apollo 125cc dirt bike. Today, we are going to take a deep dive into this popular dirt bike and provide you with everything you need to know before purchasing it. Apollo is a brand known for producing high-quality dirt bikes that are both durable and reliable. Now let's dive into the depths of this video to know the details of the Apollo 125cc dirt bike. Let's start by discussing the features and specifications of the bike. The bike comes equipped with a 125cc 4-stroke engine which provides plenty of power for off-road adventures. It also features a kickstart system which makes it easy to start the bike quickly. The bike has a top speed of around 50 miles per hour, which is more than enough for most off-road situations. It also has a 5-speed manual transmission which allows rider to easily shift gears while on the go. The bike has a seat height of 33 inches, which is perfect for most riders. It also has a ground clearance of 12 inches, which is great for navigating rough terrain. The bike has a weight capacity of 220 pounds, so it's suitable for most riders. Moving on to design and build quality, the bike has a sleek and modern look. It comes in several color options including black, blue, green and red. The bike has a sturdy steel frame and high-quality suspension that can handle rough terrain with ease. The build quality of the bike is impressive. The bike is well built and durable, which makes it a great option for those who want a bike that can withstand the rises of off-road riding. Maintaining the bike is relatively straightforward. It requires regular oil changes and maintenance checks to keep it running smoothly. However, this is true of all dirt bikes and the Apollo 125cc dirt bike is no exception. One thing to note is that replacement parts for the bike may be challenging to find. However, many online retailers carry parts for their bike, so finding what you need shouldn't be too difficult. Finally, let's talk about the price and value of the bike. The bike is reasonably priced, especially considering its features and build quality. It's a great option for those who want a high-quality dirt bike without breaking the bank. The Apollo 125cc dirt bike is a fantastic option for those who want a high-quality dirt bike at an affordable price. Its features and build quality make it an excellent value for the money, and its ride experience is top-notch. If you are in the market for a new dirt bike, we highly recommend the Apollo 125cc dirt bike. It's durable, reliable and fun to ride, making it an excellent choice for riders of all skill levels. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found our in-depth review helpful and informative. Comment below if you have any questions about this review or explanation.